Hello everyone. There is a very important question in ventricular septal defect. Which side of ventricle will produce S3 sound? To understand that concept, first we need to understand what is S3, how it is produced. So S3 is basically a ventricle gallop and it will occur if there is a increase blood in the ventricles. Most importantly, it is the chamber which is affected is the ventricle. So increase blood in the ventricles during the early filling phase of the ventricles, early filling phase. Let's understand the ventricle septal defect with the help of a diagram. So this is a line diagram of ventricle septal defect. This is left ventricle, this is right ventricle, this is right atria, this is left atria. Now in systole, left ventricle pressures are much more than the right ventricle pressure, while in diastole both the pressures are almost equal. Therefore, blood from the left ventricle will go to the right ventricle during the systolic phase from a high pressure to a low pressure zone during the systolic phase, and right ventricle blood will also go into the pulmonary artery like this. This is the pulmonary valve and here is the pulmonary artery. During the systole phase, pulmonary valves are open. Pulmonary valves are open. Therefore, right ventricle is not a closed chamber during the systolic phase. It is not closed. So whatever extra blood is coming into the right ventricle, immediately it will leave the right ventricle and go into the pulmonary artery. While from the pulmonary artery it will go into the lungs and lung circulation, then it will enter the left atria via the pulmonary vein. So through the pulmonary vein more blood will enter the left atria, and mitral valve during systole is closed in systole. Therefore, what will happen? Left atria will behave as a closed chamber. More blood will enter the left atria. And in diastole, when there is a early filling phase which will occur during the diastole, more blood will now enter the left ventricle from the left atria, and that will cause the left ventricle S3 sound. So it is not the right ventricle S3, it is a left ventricle S3 sound, which is commonly heard in cases of ventricle septal defect. Hopefully this fundamental is now clear to all of you.